Well, guys, ito ang setup ng Akrafovich M1 ko sa aking CF Moto 450 NK. Well, as you know, yung sound niya is deep. Hindi katulad nung ating SC project na loud. Ito naman meron deep tone itong Acra. Pero kung ako papipiliin, I would rather choose this one kasi medyo mas maganda yung tunog nito, hindi masyadong maingay. Pagdating sa idle, medyo tahimik siya, hindi siya masyadong bulabog. Siyempre, ibang usapan na pagka rattle mo, medyo may sound naman siyang naibibigay, so you can be noticed around the highway if ever mag-highway ka. So, for me, I rather go for this Akrafovich setup on my NK450. Okay naman siya, wala naman ako masasabi, maganda tunog. Pero there's a thing that I don't like when you change pipe. Believe me, there will be something different sa motor nyo. For example, ako around 3,000 RPM on a launch, para siyang inuubo or parang hindi maganda yung pasok nung kanyang air and fuel mixture sa kanyang makina. Kasi para siyang nagje-jerk ng konti. Yun lang yung napansin ko. Since nung nagpalit ako ng pipe, either yung SC project or etong Akrafovich, I feel the same doon sa 3,000 RPM na yon. When I'm trying to cruise at that RPM, medyo may nararamdaman akong jerkiness or uneven fighting order with the engine. Kaya nga ako, I'm going back to stock for now kasi hindi pa naman ako magpaparimap ng motor. It's quite early. The motorcycle is only 2,000, 3,000 kilometers pa lang naman. So advice ko lang, if you're going to make a change on a slip-on pipe, probably mararamdaman nyo yon. Mararamdaman nyo yung ganung scenario. I don't know if ako lang or sa motor ko lang, pero probably may mararamdaman kayo yung difference. Once you change something on your bike, you will feel something different, no? So, yun lang yung masasabi ko dito sa bagong setup ng motor na to. Well, unfortunately guys, I'm going back to the stock form of this pipe. I already have it in there. I'm gonna put it back, so the bike will run. I guess it will go back to the smooth ride that I've wanted from this bike, because it's a little bit jerky right now. So maraming salamat. I hope do you have na may napulot kayo sa akin. That's my experience about slip-on exhaust on an NK450. Well, and thank you for watching, and I do hope we see each other again on the next video. And you know, as I always said, see you when I see you.